Oh god. Yeah, bro. Like this album's so good because like sometimes I think it's a next song, but I'm listening to it like while watching it now, and it's the same fucking song. Ooh, y'all know that feeling when like the liquor hits your belly, like right there.
College students have gone to college and gotten hooked on drugs, marijuana, and alcohol.
And the sky is blue, my nigga.
Sluggish, lazy, stupid, and unconcerned. That's all there.
Okay, to answer the question, why do I always wear shades when like I'm turned? That's because my face does this weird thing with my eyes when I'm drunk. But that has nothing in comparison to the little shit I do when I'm high. Cause like my mouth starts doing this weird thing that people pointed out to me. This nigga's hiding Tupac in his basement.